This video is all about putting the MACD Histogram ATR strategy to the test using the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA. We'll be running this strategy 100 times on GBPAUD using the M5 timeframe to see how it performs under real market conditions. But first, let's break down how this strategy actually works in a simple way. The strategy is built around two key indicators: the MACD histogram and the average true range, also known as ATR. The MACD histogram helps identify momentum shifts in the market. When the histogram crosses above the zero line, that signals a potential bullish move. When it crosses below, it's signaling bearish momentum. The ATR, on the other hand, measures market volatility. A rising ATR means the market is becoming more volatile, which often leads to bigger price moves. So how do these two indicators work together in this strategy? A buy signal is triggered when the MACD histogram crosses above zero and the ATR is increasing, indicating both upward momentum and rising volatility. A sell signal happens when the MACD histogram crosses below zero while the ATR is also rising, pointing to downward momentum in a volatile market. This makes it a trend-following and volatility-based strategy that thrives in strong moving markets. Now, let's talk about how this ties in with the Trading Management Solutions EA. What makes this EA so powerful is that it can automatically detect and execute trades based on this exact strategy. No need to manually monitor charts or wait for signals. As soon as a buy or sell signal is generated, the EA can alert you immediately or execute the trade for you, depending on your preferences. That means less screen time and more efficient trading, especially on lower time frames like M5, where things move fast. Another highlight of using this EA is its dynamic risk management. Unlike traditional systems that use a fixed stop loss, this EA can calculate the stop loss based on current market structure, using support and resistance zones or ATR multipliers. This method is far more strategic because it adapts to the actual flow of the market, helping you avoid placing stops in obvious vulnerable spots that often get hunted. The same goes for take profit targets. Instead of setting a fixed pip value, the EA can use the ATR to calculate TP levels based on real-time volatility. You can also choose to use a custom risk and reward ratio or define your own points if you prefer a more predictable outcome. But the advantage of the ATR approach is that it aligns your profit targets with recent price action, making your exits more realistic and adaptive to current conditions. In short, the MACD Histogram ATR strategy works exceptionally well with the Trading Management Solutions EA because the EA automates everything, from detecting the right setups to placing precise entries and exits. On top of that, it gives you tools like smart trade management, signal alerts, and automated execution, all while adapting to real market conditions. Stick around until the end of the video to see the full results of our 100 trade backtest on GBPAUD using the M5 timeframe. And if you want to try this strategy out for yourself, visit TakePropips.com to download a free demo version of the Trading Management